Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can unlock your Huntington card online. So here I'm currently at their official website. So you just have to visit their official website and go here to personal. And you will see the steps and how you can unlock and lock your card online. So first is how you can lock or unlock your card online is first you just have to log into your account online, and then under the Service Center tab, you just have to select the card that you want to lock or unlock. So it looks something like this. So you just have to select any card that you want to unlock. So from here, you can see that lock card. So you can also see from there, unlock once it is locked. So just like that, and then how to lock or unlock your card in mobile. So log into your card account in the mobile application, go to the manage cards from the menu, then select the card that you want to lock or unlock. So it also looks something like this. So you just have to navigate rightfully on the mobile application, and you will see it in there on the manage cards. So you just have to click unlock or unlock a card, then select the applicable card. So like that. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!